Hi, my name is Adishri Kode and I'm delighted to share my experience at Prabhu classes. I've been a student of Prabhu classes since the last 2 years. My session 1 JEE main percentile was 99.46 and my state boards I scored 97.5%, securing the first rank in the state of Goa. What drew me initially to Prabhu classes was how positive and calm and welcoming Sir was to each one of us, irrespective of our academic backgrounds. We were given concise material of JEE Main and JEE Advanced that would really help us to step up in our abilities of problem solving and develop a keen interest in physics, chemistry and mathematics. The next experience was the regular testing that happened, which helped us to be on par with the national level and also check our performances at every step of our journey. What I really loved was that we had the liberty to message Sir or Indresh Sir at any point and get our doubts clarified. Sir would not hesitate to instantly text back to all his students. When we had difficulties coping up with the classes or academics, we would contact Sir and he would instantly give us a confidence boost that would help us to tackle all the challenges that we were actually facing and come out with a better performance the next time. I think I had a wonderful experience at Prabhu classes and I will definitely recommend it to all my juniors.